Hello y'all, and today I will be showing you guys how to install OpenO Interiors for your GTA 5 LSPDFR. So let's get into it. You want to click, link will be in the description, you want to click download, and then download. And then I'm going to open that with WinRAR. And then you want to open your GTA 5 main directory. I'm going to minimize that. And then you want to copy these two files, openinteriors.ini and .asi. And then you want to drag and drop inside your GTA 5 main directory. And now OpenO Interiors is successfully installed and I will see you in the game.